animals are here, hip hooray, let's learn their sounds as they play.
The cow is big and colored brown. She walks so slowly round the town. Her voice is gentle, soft and true. She calls out loud and says moo moo.
Fluffy sheep with wool so white, jumping around, what a sight. She sings a tune so bright and sweet. She says ba ba with her feet.
The piggy loves the muddy ground, rolling and tumbling round and round. He sniffs the air for food to find. He says oink oink every time. The hen is busy all the day. She pecks the grains in her own way. She lays the eggs so small and new. She goes cluck cluck, it's true.
The horse is strong and loves to run, galloping fast, oh what fun. With shiny mane that flows all day, he says neigh neigh on his way.
The duck swims gently in the lake. She splashes water in her wake. With little wings she flaps around. She says quack quack, what a sound.
All the animals join the parade, in the sunshine, not the shade. Names and sounds we learn today. Hooray for the Farmyard Parade.